Oh, she's a pretty girl. Oh, she's a pretty girl. Oh, she's a pretty girl. Oh, she's such a pretty girl. Hey, Zoey. Oh, lady. Oh, lady. Oh, lady. Oh, good girl with your little tail wagging. And there's Crazy over there. Crazy over there. Oh, she's itchy. She's itchy today, Zoey. You want to go for a walk? Or no, because it's raining. You want to go pee-pee real quick? Good girl. Yeah, I think she has to go. Maybe I'll take the nut, too. Come on, Zoey. You want to go out? Oh, she's going to be upset. She's like, what is that water, so? Oh, look at her. Right in the rain. Right in the rain. She had to go. Oh man, she really had to go. Holy smokes. Jesus, she's still going. There you go. Go for a walk? Go for a walk, hobble pants? Go for a walk, hobble pants? Yeah, I'm surprised you're so happy in the rain. Because I'm here. Yeah, I know. What a crappy day. Let's go poop on the Darnleys' yard. Yeah. Come on, Zozo. Good girl. Man, I'm surprised with all this rain.